Have you ever wondered how our body maintains its internal pH balance? It's like a perfectly choreographed dance with three primary mechanisms leading the performance: buffer systems, respiratory regulation, and renal regulation. These mechanisms work together to keep our body's pH within a narrow range, ensuring optimal function. First, let's talk about buffer systems. They act as our body's first line of defense against pH imbalances. Picture them as sponges, soaking up excess hydrogen ions to reduce acidity or releasing them to increase it. The star player here is the bicarbonate buffer system. It operates in the extracellular fluid. That's the fluid outside our cells, and involves a reversible reaction between bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. When there's an increase in hydrogen ions, signaling acidosis, bicarbonate ions step in and bind to them, reducing acidity. On the flip side, if hydrogen ions decrease, signaling alkalosis, bicarbonate releases hydrogen ions, increasing acidity. Then we have the protein buffer system. Proteins, especially hemoglobin and plasma proteins, have the ability to bind to and release hydrogen ions, helping stabilize pH. Finally, there's the phosphate buffer system. It works inside our cells, where phosphate ions bind to hydrogen ions to reduce acidity. Next up, respiratory regulation. Our respiratory system plays a crucial role in pH regulation by controlling the concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood. When carbon dioxide combines with water, it forms carbonic acid, which can release hydrogen ions, making the blood more acidic. By adjusting the rate and depth of breathing, the body can remove excess carbon dioxide through exhalation or retain it to increase acidity. Last but not least, renal regulation. Our kidneys are the maestros of acid-base balance. Depending on the body's needs, they can selectively excrete or reabsorb bicarbonate ions and hydrogen ions in the urine. When blood pH is too low, the kidneys reabsorb more bicarbonate and excrete more hydrogen ions. But if blood pH is too high, the kidneys do the opposite, excreting more bicarbonate and retaining hydrogen ions. So there you have it, the three primary mechanisms that our bodies use to maintain a delicate pH balance. These systems work in harmony to keep blood pH within a narrow range, typically around 7.35 to 7.45. Disruptions to this balance can lead to acidosis or alkalosis, which can adversely affect bodily functions. Remember, while these are the primary mechanisms, other factors and conditions can impact acid-base balance. This includes the cellular exchange of ions and various diseases that affect the body's ability to regulate pH. Our bodies are truly remarkable in their ability to maintain balance and ensure optimal function. It's a complex yet beautiful dance of chemistry and physiology,